So we say see your Candy come for me, and me tell Candy say, me I go give her daughter some of the money. Policy Candy behavior, people. Policy Candy behavior. It is a shame and disgrace. And your mother is.
Yo, what that trend? Oh, the trend, the dancer. Walk on people to work with another video. Please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell if you know me so.
Hey, move from around the people them, cause them are people that can't go in the camera, so we there. Side bucket, get up with the bucket. See, I mess up the people them right there, so can do.
Sorry, I don't send back the money.
Oh, me not send back, I get $1,000. That's why me not send back. People, see ya. This I say them no lip on drugs, no cokehead behavior this. You people, no care what. So we say see your Candy come for me, and me tell Candy say, me I go give her daughter some of the money. Policy Candy behavior, people. Policy Candy behavior. It is a shame and disgrace. And your mother is take your mother out of this. Take your mother out of this. Me tell you, me I go give your baby. You beat me, Candy. You beat me. Yeah. You're not buying nothing for the baby. You now, right now, we are calling the money and buy them. Come here, God. Me I go over there today say you give me. Me, I don't want $1 from you. You're outside of self. People, watch them behavior, yeah. Eh? Figure you beat me something. Girl, one thing with your girl. Nobody is going to want you around them. Nobody. Your daughter.
Done. If you say that, if you not do that, then there and they know what to do. Done. Yeah? Remember me tell them don't write this to me.
Your mother girl and your mother look out for your pitney. Your mother look out for your pitney girl. Yeah? Money do this. Money. Then you need to change your fucking ways. You need to change your ways.
This is my year, you say, I'm going to give me money.
Yeah.
You mind change everything.
Your daughter must get done. Allah, your blood clotted. I saw Rose lose her fame because she take out her video them out of this and I hype up. Man. And what do you can do? But I choose your blood clotted.
I said to change, give me $3 last night. I'm
going to tell you, say I don't collect the money. Me don't sure if never get the money. I cannot give you the money. And sit here. Look here, is the money we're going to collect now. Is it. If you want to come, move your blood clot cross. I don't know why I have by you. You're too ungrateful. If me say me I give you baby money, you take. When the blood clot here come out, don't give your mother the money, don't give your mother the money. Yeah? Can you need to change your blood clot with
me not trust nobody.
All this. You not trust nobody? You not trust somebody with money?
I don't want nobody send
that's why your daughter go get it.
On the ear, people. On the ear.
And she can't get the whole life. She never tells me she can't get the whole life.
On the ear, people.
You know, my mother has no company for this man.
Yeah.
Blood clot. She has no company for this man. I'm made that. No. I think some of the best shoes. Man, they send back the money, Candy. Oh, I'm trying to get nobody. One minute, I got me a big swing. You're not going to move away later? Cheers!
Yeah.
What time?
Jungle, we are carrying money go give your mother. Your blood clot. I don't care what you want to say. You want your one?
Yeah, give me money. She not just send back the money that she said she don't want to.
Ungrateful.
Bad. Your daughter there don't come already. Miss, thank you very much for sending the money come because her daughter need me a video me go live with me give blood clot mother the whole of the money. And that me I tell you you're too wicked. Oh, serious? Here, say you
burn it down.
I say you
fucking wicked.
You can't burn on the woman house. You can't burn on the woman house.
Another like say she take care of the picnic. You want burn on the woman house?
Man house. Yeah.
Just about for clap, what's the part?
Money and you picnic them as
Father God change a little girl, yeah.
Money.
Money that $7,000 money. Money that you know mind your daughter, your mother mind your Girl, go on. Girl, go on. Can you get me down? Girl, go on. Go on. But
She
you don't
really
put
need to
yourself
go
to
on
get the
because
money.
she not take care of
Go
Pitney and
on,
mother
girl.
with
Go
and
on.
she a go on
Go
for
on,
money.
girl. Go on.
Money. No,
Girl,
money
go
what
on,
them
girl.
send come.
Are you
Money.
mad no blood clot?
I really mad she mad
Jesus
serious.
Christ.
And no sensible
I will
somebody
never
can
believe
go
you
on
that go on,
so.
so, and your daughter get the money. Your daughter get
No
so many money
sensible
and you
somebody
for your
can go on
behavior
to
can
blood
do.
clot. No sensible somebody.
I just shove you one go, but it's one more business. And cheese just, hey, we just come calling cheese and cheese up alive and cheese a bigger cover. Can you money if you can there now, no? That's why I'm going to change us and I'll put our clothes on.
No,
And so I can money if you can there. Can you that we say what come in? Cheese! Don't give me mother no money! No, don't give me that there, no! Me I say can there what? If you give them no, make a bond in yours.
She really need help for true.
We are come at
She
Jones,
need
so me
help.
get $1,000 out of the money. Me never collect the money, I go collect the money now. But when me collect the money, I don't care. I have a little 3 grand figure. That is as much as your daughter get the rest. We are moving blood clot. We getting ready. Look at now, so come.
When you collect it down gear.
Nah, I get the whole like me, I get some. Me nah left her on the dike. Me never did a plan to do that. But I plan to get her that thing. Ungrateful little piece of shit. She need to stop it. Down the road, so.
That's where the money for.
Yeah. I have service from before. I have free sitting on the. People, Goody, me soon come over that side there. I hear cousin though. Goody gone.